Occasionally, people will tell me that this guy has some anxiety. I don't see it, but we're trying out these YUMA'S Hemp Calming Chews. So we're going to open up the package here. Take off the lid, and we'll see if this guy's a fan of these biscuits. We'll open up the sealed top here. Well, these are a good size. They're not too little. Like sometimes these things are small like kibble. Sometimes they're so big a little guy like this really doesn't want a whole one. And he gets kind of offended. He gets anxiety if I break the thing in half. So this is really a good size. Oh, it looks like he is willing to chew on it. It is a hemp treat. So, and then it's a calming chew. So let's give this guy another one. Looks like he's definitely interested in trying them. So I'd like to thank YUMA'S for sending us these to try out. Looks like they're a big hit. Hope this helps.